All right, you little fifth graders, time to review. Make sure you have your sheet of paper out. Our first problem is going to be 89 times 13. This is what it looks like when you line it up. Pause the video and solve that problem. Do it now. All right, let's see how bad you did. 3 times 9, 27. Bring down the 7, carry the 2. 3 times 8, 24. Plus 2, 26. Your first row should be 267. Bring down a 0. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 8 is 8. Add 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 9, 15. Bring down 5, carry the 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. The product is 1,157. Easy. At least it should be by now. Let's practice multiplication of decimals. 4 and 25 times 1 and 9 tenths. When you set it up, this is what it looks like. Remember, when you multiply decimals, you do not have to line up the decimals. When you are finished multiplying, make sure you put your decimal place in the correct location. Solve this problem. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. 9 times 5 is 45. Bring down the 5, carry the 4. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 22. Bring down the 2, carry the 2. 9 times 4 is 36. Plus 2 is 38. Bring down a 0. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 4, 4. So now it's time to add. You need to look at your work. Your first row should be 3, 8, 2, 5. Your second row should be 4, 2, 5, 0. Now it's time to add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. Bring down the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. Now we got to figure out where our decimal goes. I got 1, 2 places here. I got 1 place here. 2 plus 1 is 3. That means I start here and move over 3 places. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 8 and 75 thousandths. That is the product, if you did everything correctly. Moving on to division. Division of whole numbers. 399 divided by 21. When you line it up, it's like this. The first thing you need to do is you need to find the facts of 21. So pause the video and give me all the facts of 21. Do that now. All right, let's see how good you did. 21 times 1, 21 times 2, 42 times 3, 63 times 4, 84 times 5, 105 times 6, 126 times 7, 147 times 8, 168 times 9, 189. Now we solve the division problem. Pause the video, use this information to give me the quotient. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. Can 21 go into 3? No. Can 21 go into 39? Yes. How many times? Just one time. 1 above the 9. 1 times 21 is 21. Let's subtract. 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down the 9. Can 21 go into 189? Yes, it can. How many times? All the way to the bottom, 9 times. 9 times 21 is 109. Subtract. No remainder. Our quotient is 19. Very good. If you got 19. Now it's time to divide decimal numbers. I do not have a decimal in my dividend, but I do have a decimal in my divisor. So this is a dividing decimal problem. First things first, I want you to give me my new divisor and my new dividend. Do that right now. Pause the video. All right. I have a decimal here. I had to move it over one time to get rid of it. My new divisor is 25. Now, this is the one place right here, so that means my decimal is right there. I moved it one time here. I must move it one time here. Put a 0 as a placeholder. So 18250. My dividend is 18,250. Now I got to find the facts of 25. So 25 is my divisor. So give me all the facts. Well, don't worry about 10. But give me all the facts of 25. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. 25 times 1, 25 times 2, 50 times 3, 75 times 4, 100 times 5, 125 times 6, 150 times 7, 175 times 8, 200 times 9, 225. And there you go. Now I have all the information I need to solve this beautiful division of decimal problem. Remember, no remainders when you divide with decimals. So, solve that problem. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. Can 25 go into 1? No. Can it go into 18? No. Can it go into 182? Yes. How many times? 7 times. 7 above the 2. 7 times 25 is 175. Subtract. I can't subtract 2 minus 5. I have to come over here to the 8. Make it a 7. And make the 2 a 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Bring down the 5. Can 25 go into 75? Yes, it can. How many times? 3 times. 3 times 25 is 75. 75 minus 75 is 0. Bring down the 0. Can 25 go into 0? Yes, it can. How many times? 0 times. 0 times 25 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. My quotient is 730. No decimal at all in that quotient. There you have it, you little 5th graders. Another quick review. Now, get busy with your beautiful assignment on multiplication and division. Get to work.